In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Hostinger hPanel and manage your WordPress site installations effortlessly. Whether you're setting up a new site or maintaining an existing one, this guide will walk you through accessing your WordPress installations and provide tips for managing them effectively. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger hPanel. Start by opening your web browser of choice and navigate to the Hostinger login page. Here, you'll want to enter your credentials, your email address, and your password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure you have your device handy to enter the code and complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you will be greeted by the intuitive dashboard, which provides quick access to all your web admin needs. Now that we're in, let's locate the Auto Installer section. You can find this by looking at the main navigation menu on the left side of the dashboard. We're focusing on WordPress today, so click on Auto Installer to see a list of your site's installations. The Auto Installer tool is an indispensable feature of hPanel, making it incredibly easy to manage multiple installations with just a few clicks. Upon selecting WordPress installations, you'll see a detailed view of all WordPress sites you've set up via Hostinger. Here you'll find a list detailing each site, along with pertinent information that helps keep you organized and on top of WordPress management. Scroll down to find the specific WordPress site you'd like to manage. Simply click on the site name to display a menu featuring several options related to your installation. Once you've selected your WordPress site from the list, you'll see various details and admin options appear. The focus today is on your admin credentials. Particularly, you may want to verify or reset your admin username and password. These credentials are crucial as they allow you to log directly into the backend of your WordPress site and make any necessary updates or changes. As you view the site details, you'll notice the admin username listed there. Ensure you have the correct username, as this will be required along with your password to access the WordPress dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, you'll find an option to reset it right from this page. It's as simple as choosing Reset Password, and then you'll receive prompts to guide you through the process of establishing a new password. Generate a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually recommended to enhance security. And there you have it, a straightforward way to log into Hostinger hPanel and manage your WordPress sites with a focus on ensuring your credentials are always up to date. Keeping your admin details secure and easily accessible simplifies managing your WordPress installations. Be sure to maintain a secure record of your new credentials. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your website efficiently.